be our guest.
Hi, welcome to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the gray stuff, which can be found in the Be Our Guest restaurant in Magic Kingdom. We're going to show you how to do it right now.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
This one.
That spoon? Which gray stuff?
This one.
That one. All right, ready? You gonna try?
Thank you.
Good bite. Put in your mouth.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Should we ask the dishes?
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
Don't ask the dishes.
Mm-mm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and check out more at the dvcshop.com website. Thank you.